So hakuna kitu hutufurahisha kama client wa majuu kututrust.
Exactly.
Hata akiwa hajatuona.
Hi investor, my name is Diana and today we have an interesting story from one of our clients who purchased through a virtual site visit. Get to hear what he has to say.
So basically, I did my online research. I wanted to buy a plot.
Okay.
So I did my research Google, via Google. Nilikuwa nataka zaidi ya Kikuyu. Yeah, so that's why I decided to go Namco. Because ilikuwa outside the country. No, the first day nilienda, I saw the land and then I was like satisfied that it's the thing. It's good, it was good for me. The process was easy. Yeah.
Very seamless.
Very simple and easy. The process that made it easy, your communication one-on-one with Sharon. So it even made it easier for me to go ahead and like to purchase it. Yeah, I think the good thing with Amco, they are flexible in that they can take you to the land wherever you want to. Yeah, like now I want to go to the land and Sharon, she's available. Yeah, she can just take me there. That's the best thing with Amco. Yeah, there's some documentation ilikuwa nifaa kusign and then I sent to her. But since I was outside the country, I wanted to do it personal than kusign it, and so I nilifanya personally nikikuja. And then the title deed came 3 weeks later. Yeah, now I can see it's trusted because my title deed is here. And then there was no like back and forth story, like, and then the level of patience, because ilikuwa high. It was good. It's the best idea now, especially now. It depends on the place, but yeah, Kikuyu is, I think, is a top-notch place to buy land now, because everyone is coming to Kikuyu. So yeah, and the best thing is in Amco.
I hope you enjoyed that testimonial. You too can own that story at Amco Properties. Toaminika. Karibuni sana.